the mule herd? Are they mule people?
A mule team.
A mule team?
The mule team.
Okay, let's address the mule team to start out, and then go into your spiel. I'm ready when you're ready.
Okay, mule team. This is how we build our resonator guitars so that they sound nice and warm and fuzzy. Typically, resonator guitars sound thin and twangy. And that's because traditional thinking with resonator guitars is that the body's built so that the cone does all the vibrating. Okay? The cones are really great at transferring the string energy to the body, but they sound like this.
Ew.
Gross. Okay? So, to get a warm and fuzzy sound, you need a bigger wave. And you get a bigger wave by having a bigger piece of something vibrating. And that's the back. So we build the bodies of the resonators so that the back is doing a lot of the vibrating to get that bass wave. So you have to get some support through this screw that goes through your strap button. Okay, goes through here, it goes into the neck stick. What that does is when the guitar is strung up, the string tension is now supported by this vertical side. This allows us to brace the inside of the guitar lighter, so that instead of sounding like this, it sounds like this.
Reinventing the steel.
Reinventing the steel.
Mule team out.
Mule team out.